He's right there. Little bird.
That black thing in the tree?
No, he's on a rock in the middle of the creek. You see him?
Oh, hi, shirt bird. I see him.
See him? Hey, little bird.
Come here, little bird. Come.
I
I don't know what to
See,
do.
like, we can walk across this. It's not that deep, but I would definitely be getting my boots wet. Definitely, eh?
I don't think it's black.
Look at all the rocks on that log though that I want. Just waiting.
I think someone's going to collect those.
Yeah, me. I was going to collect those.
No, I think someone else put those there and collect them.
I did. The sun's nice though. I would love to be over there. What do you think? Is there a way that we can get over there? Maybe you can smash this ice over here and I'll look. Maybe it's just, there's two, it splits twice over there. Just once here. Look at that little bird. He's having a good time. We don't care. We can just fly across. See, why didn't I bring my boots? Well, because I was thinking about the sun and the mountains. Alright, there's a Mad Dog Mountain Arts video. I keep coming back here, you guys. I keep being disappointed by this water. I want to be on that beach. We used to be able to get on that beach so easy, and now it's like... it's split. Because the river changed on me. I could walk them across there, and I could walk them across there. I could just carry this one. And I'm going to be wet. But I'll be happy. I'll be on the other side. You know? The boots didn't take that much. It wasn't that hard to dry them. You guys seen my other video where I got my boots wet. It took 2 days. 2 days to get those boots dry again. But look, it's not bad at all. It's just long, right? I guess I do have different boots in the truck. All I gotta do is go to the truck and get some different boots. You guys didn't hear that. It would be easier just to walk up there. It would be shorter than it would be to walk across here. This is thinner. Longer. Well, I don't know. Would you guys do it? I kind of want to do it. Look. Don't mind me. I guess I don't need any more rocks. Could just try and build a bridge too. That might take a long time though. And these rocks are frozen. It'd be fun though. Can't say it wouldn't be fun. Okay, that's a Mad Dog Mountain Arts video. I'm gonna try and decide what I'm gonna do here. If I feel like getting wet or if I don't. I think I do. And I think up there is the way to do it. There he is. Pretty cute little bird. These are some beautiful rocks. Such beautiful rocks. We might make some more slime later. So stay tuned for that. And if I decide to not do this, maybe we'll just go to the store and go somewhere near our home. And thanks for watching Mad Dog Mountain Arts, as usual. Right? Don't be a wimp. Come on. Don't be a wimp. Beautiful day. Beautiful day. No, it's a rock. Not a great time. All right.